back to day 224 of my high school video journal, and today I'll just be talking about how my day went and what I've been learning for my science. So for science, I was learning circuits, or for active science, I should reiterate, I was learning about circuits. Now, what are circuits? How do they work? Well, the way circuits exactly work is pretty cool. Imagine a pipe, or connected four pipes and a little pressure thing. Now, every time you press this pipe or this pressure little button, water gets circulated from this place to the whole pipe. Now, right now, where the water is a point of high pressure. And once it leaves, well, it's low pressure. That place lost the water it had because now it's traveling. But not to worry, because that point of high pressure goes, circulates around the whole thing, comes back to refill it. And the more you do it, the faster it moves and the faster the pressure, high pressure gets filled up. Now, how does this work in actual circuits, like electric circuits? Well, pretty easy. Let's say this is your positive side of the battery, this is your negative side of the battery. Now, these two are basically trying to connect to each other, right? They're attracted to each other, but they can't go straight through the battery because they have something blocking it. So it takes this long route all the way from this side to that. Now, that's just a normal circuit. And it's going to keep on refilling it, recharging it until the battery gets useless and the charges are neutralized. But in the middle, you can have this thing called a resistor, which is basically friction. It takes a bit of the energy, and every time the battery is basically just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, because if it's like a lithium ion battery, the ions are moving from lithium back to back. We get this cool thing where enough friction or enough resistance is created that it can power up, let's say, a light bulb. The tungsten steel in the light bulb gets heated up enough to shine and go bright. And this is how normal circuits work. Of course, circuits can become more advanced with other things, but that's kind of going to be it for today. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow.